Today I'll show you how to automate regular emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you send the same type of email every day, every week, or every month, Outlook can help you save time by preparing messages in advance and sending them on a schedule. The easiest method is to use Outlook recurring calendar reminders together with an email template. First, open Microsoft Outlook. Create the email you want to send regularly. Click New Email, then write your message. Add the subject line, recipient, and the main body of the email. Now save this message as a template, click File, then choose Save As. In the File Type dropdown, select Outlook Template. Give the template a clear name, then click Save. Next, create a reminder so you do not forget to send it. Go to Calendar in Outlook. Click New Appointment or New Event. Set the title, for example, Send Weekly Report Email. Choose the date and time when the email should be sent. Now set it to repeat. Click Recurrence or Repeat, then choose how often the reminder should appear, such as daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. Save the event. When the reminder appears, open your saved email template, review the message, update anything that needs changing, and send it. If you want full automation, you can use Power Automate with Outlook. Open Power Automate, create a scheduled cloud flow, choose the repeat timing, then add the Outlook action called Send an Email. Enter the recipient, subject, and message body. Save the flow, then test it. From now on, Power Automate can send the email automatically based on your schedule. And that's it. You now know how to automate regular emails in Microsoft Outlook. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.